Hi everyone, welcome to Resepkik channel. Today I'm going to cook and share on how to make shrimp and tomato omelette. The ingredients that need to be prepared are egg, shrimp, chopped tomato, chopped garlic, spring onion, pepper powder, broth powder, and butter. For the first step, I'm going to add all the ingredients together. Except the butter. And I will beat the eggs together. And I will beat until all together well combined. And now I will heat up the butter. And fry the mixed ingredient. With medium fire. Until cooked and ready to serve. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. See you again for the next episode only at Resepkik channel. Bye bye.